Hello. Hello, hello, hello. Can you guys hear me alright? I feel like my mic level's really low. Maybe that's better. Is this better? Or is this better? Ah, jeez. Ah, jeez. This is like all the way up. Oh, yeah. That seems better. Well, if anybody actually is watching, please feel free to let me know how my audio is. Good morning, good morning. Checking out these film look filter packs for Filmic. I preach about this, but I didn't even use it. Um, what's SynKit? Mm-hmm. That's cool. This was the one I was speaking about yesterday with Vincent. So smart. If you're able to use two of the onboard cameras at the same time, so great. What's this? It's just a photo app. It's cool. I don't think it's necessary though. This might be the one that I have. I have an 11 Pro Max, so I can't get like some of the newer stuff. But yeah. Pro V7, man. This looks sharp as hell. I definitely recommend it to anybody that's trying to upgrade their phone video use. I can't talk this morning. Okay. They recast Kang. That's kind of crazy. Hmm. Interesting. Oh, Triv's here. What up, Triv? Taping your mouth sleeping scares me. Oh, I gotta watch chance thing with Ryan. I like that. I'll have to watch that one. Alright, let's see what do the sleep goggles do? I'm curious. Oh, well, that's not good. Is this. It's really. Hold on. Oh, I apparently have to download it. Stand by. Who we got? Oh shit, Josh is here. What's up, Josh? This guy. You haven't gone to bed yet? Really? What in the world are you doing? Probably making another awesome video. Hey, hey, hey. How you feeling, man? Late night for you. I'll, your face, your face came up on my home screen on my TV last night, so I checked out. Let's see. I'll be honest, I'm surprised what comes up on my YouTube is not all Jack's. Oh, all Jack's videos, because he watches this more than I do. Where's my. There it is. See, like this weird stuff. There it is. Love the thumb. Yeah. I mean, on West Coast, so it's 1:45, not too bad. Usually I don't go to bed till. Whoa. Oh, right on, dude. Okay. That's fair. Yo, your videos, like this layout is so clean. I love it. Yeah. What IDE is this? Is this PHP Storm? I meant to ask you about that. I think Aaron uses it as well. I like the way it looks. Oh, you know what? I might put. What is that new CLI everybody's using? The terminal app. Maybe I'll put that on here this morning too. Well, Esther, I don't know what it is. Huh? That's why I'm trying to. That's why I'm trying to figure it out. Good morning, Esther. By the way, I like that my. Thanks, and I'm mad that this video took off more than most my garage second studio videos. I hadn't noticed, but now I'm gonna try. I'm gonna scrutinize it. That's VS Code, really? Yeah, warp. Well, anyway, I have this I gotta do, and then we'll get into that. So, what do you do this late at night? Are you recording? You're a warp guy. I could tell. I could tell by your 5-panel hat you use warp. um, I that hat that I got, by the way, is very comfy. I have a thing where I don't like when hats don't get, they're not deep, right? This is aces. All right. I get on I get on Taylor for these videos because the quality fucking sucks sometimes. Like, look at this shit. This looks like I'm watching this on an old CRT TV on a VHS tape, which is pretty cool, but not for what we need. So, let's see. Yeah, for real. Okay. Oh, you know what? He's got a filter on it. There you go. See, this is terrible. Hold on, you guys can't even see it hanging. His audio is bad, though. It's okay, Esther. You're here. You're here, and that's all that matters. I'm also very irritated that he bought this stupid new Osmo, I think he got. I keep trying to tell him, your phone is fine. Esther, where are you located? I know you're not in the U.S. What are you working on today? What's Saturday look like for everybody? It's almost noon, yeah. It is still Saturday, I agree. Trev, what do you work on Saturdays? Just reading to wind down, gotcha in the corner of the room. Nice. I dig it, Josh. So a little bit of doc reading. Do you have some chamomile tea or something? I picture you having like pajamas with a matching 5-panel hat, like the full on pajama 2-piece with the hat with the same print. Oh, Triv, you've been up since 1:30. What are you working on then? Hopefully it was productive for you. Here, I'm going to share this window. Oh, it doesn't matter. You won't be able to hear the audio anyway, so. Nice. What part of Odin Project are you on, Triv? So, this is what I do. Oh. And, okay. Nice. I scrub his videos. Oh, I like that. No one's like that. He says a lot of people. No one is. I roast this dude all the time. He's a really great guy though. And he puts up with my shit. God, look at that beautiful white hair. I wish he would go all white. That would be hilarious. Ooh, Esther's got a new domain. What domain did you buy? No, he wings this shit. This is his vlog. It's very candid. I think he's got at least a topic. Like each of his vlog episodes are, they're based on something, but he just goes. Dude, that's what I'm saying. When me and Vincent did our video yesterday, I mean, I'm a huge proponent of using what you have, and these are some of the best. They have some of the best cameras. It's very comparable to a consumer digital camera, even to low-level prosumer. I mean, with the right tools, you can do a lot with your phone camera. I won't get into that though. That was what we did yesterday. That stream should be up too if anybody wants to check that out. But anyway, all right, back to it here. I get up in the morning and everything just like comes out of me. That sounded terrible, but it's true. What's happening right now? Cool. It's all janked up. Let's reopen. Oh, neat. Something went wrong. Even better. Process abandoned. I didn't abandon it. I guess I'll just call YouTube my dad. Just out here abandoning people. Too soon? Oh, that's why. Because for some reason my hard drive is offline. Well, that's neat. Oh, neat. It's removed. The shit? That's interesting. Okay. Well, that certainly changes things. Is this thing still charging? Are there birds chirping? Yeah, you can hear that? Holy cow. This mic's pretty good. Not bad for $30. Alright, well, Josh, you're up, buddy. Triv's just outside my house, that's all. He's creeping on me. He actually does live relatively close to me. So that's pretty cool. We're in Western New York, up by Rochester. Right, I'm about a mile away from Lake Ontario, one of the Great Lakes. Oh yeah, dude, you're probably 20, not even 20 minutes. Yeah, yeah. I was up. I think I got online at about 4:30 a.m. because I was up at 4:10. I slept in for a couple minutes. All right, let's get this switched over, and then I'm kind of limited on what I can share here because you won't be able to see both.
Let's build an authenticated to-do list in Laravel Live.
That is the difference between you and me, Josh. Um, it I go to bed at 10 most nights, although last night me and the wife, oh, excuse me, me and the wife fell asleep. What were we watching? Top Chef? Yeah. And she fell asleep before I did, but it was like, I don't know, 9:30, and then we both woke up at like 10:17 or something like that. We're like, ah, shit. We missed the rest of the show. And I think I ended up laying down about 10:30. Do I take naps? No, I don't. I don't get any naps. So I'll be up from 4 at the latest 5 o'clock, 5 2, because Monday through Thursday I work at 5. So 5 a.m. to 10 p.m. at the latest. And I try to be in bed by 10, but doesn't always work out. I need my after. Really? Naps sound dope. I would love that. My son wouldn't let me nap though. He'd be like, "Oh, I don't think so, man." We got whoops. God, I hate that fucking thing. Um, we have Boys Zone today. That's where he gets to go and hang out with his friends. Yeah, dude. That's about what I get. Um, after years of it, the time frame was a little different. The scale slides. Mine was closer to what you're at. Um, when doing, 16-hour days on a film set, and then like going back to the hotel and partying for a couple hours and then just passing out. It was later. Yeah, Esther, you got kids? Nice. Yeah, my son is 7. I've got him, I have him pulled up on, I'll show you. He's currently passed out still, fortunately. Um, it's probably weird because I say he's 7 and we still have a monitor up, but he's on the spectrum, and you can't trust the little shit. He also, we're in an older house, and it's a 2-story, and the stairs are not, if the stairs were built now, the stairs that we have would not be up to code. I'm not sure how they made it. It's like a loophole in the inspections that they can keep the stairs. They didn't have to change them out, so they're fucking dangerous. Um, so we don't like the idea of him coming down in the middle of the night. So we try to, make sure he doesn't get up. I'm actually across the hall from him right now, so it's all right. But I think it's more for us than for him. Yeah, dude, totally. Um, and they're steep, and the hallway is like narrow. It's the way I'm explaining it, it sounds like it's like some sort of a death trap. It's not that bad, but um, I think we're just paranoid parents. That's all. So it, for what it's worth, I have 2 older daughters too that are 15 and 13, and I am paranoid when they're on the stairs too. So anyway, did anybody else? Does anybody have Canva? By the way, does anybody use Canva? Yeah. Oh, my wife ate shit on stairs years ago, and she's scarred for life from them. So if you go to your Canva and you click the For You button that's here, it used to be here anyway. It's not on mine right now because I did it already. If you click it like 7 times, it opens up new, like a beta version of the software. So this, it's pretty nice. The new editor's pretty sharp. There's some other stuff in here too, but you get a cool this thing. You can't. I don't even have it on the window. Fucking idiot. I'll show you. Hold on. I'm over here just like screwing around on it like you're seeing it. I'm not a streamer. The For You button is usually right here. If you click that like 7 times, you get a pretty cool oh, no kidding. So within the last half an hour, 50,000 people did that. Well, that sucks. I'm sorry. I tried. All right. Let's get Josh back up here. Oh, yeah, that could be. Oh, did my hard drive come back? Nope. What the hell? That's super weird. Well, that's not going to work. I guess this is one of the limitations of Talk Studio. Can't, you're limited to what you can share. Well, I guess I could share this window, but you won't hear the audio. That's the problem. Steep stairs. No, they're not. They're not at all. Yeah, it's pretty bad. I agree with that. I agree with that. Brew poggers, is that an actual command? Or are you setting me up here? What is Warcraft logs uploader? I do not know what that's about. You gotta fucking sign up for everything. Why does everything need a sign up? Can I just use stuff? Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. Oh, for Christ's sake. Why do all my apps need to know who I am? That's the question. There. It's a trick question. They don't need to know. Guys, I don't know. Are those my only options? Do we have other ones? Oh, yeah. I am old, so that could be the Alzheimer's. Could be the Alzheimer's kicking in. Okay. Like that. Whoa, whoa, whoa. There we go. It's fine. Compact mode, no. Like that font. Oh, okay. I like that. To select a block and navigate with the arrow keys. Okay. Open command palette. We'll look at that later. Okay. What we got here? I like your little logo in the corner too, Josh. Very, very simple, but that's cool. Very minimalist. I think that's what I like about the aesthetic of this. It's just it's very basic, but that's the beauty of it. A lot of it can be super over complex sometimes, you know what I mean? Okay. Oh, cool. So apparently we have to put that on here first. Oh, you know what? Okay. Nope. Interesting. Do I already have this? I think I already have this. This might be the one. Oh, yeah. That's why. Okay. I let my Copilot expire. Should probably get it off here too. I did class 2. I try not to use Bash, but for some reason I have to configure my CLI better. See, I always get this. Yes, I do. Ow. How can I... Hold on. Josh, I want to put your screen here because for anybody that does not follow Josh, this content is solid.
Associate with a to-do, and that's a model, and then we're going to do -m, which is basically saying create a migration for that as well. So if I was to go ahead and open our code, what we're going to look at is the to-do migration, which is the create to-dos table. Laravel provides these migrations out of the box, and any new migration we create just gives you this to start with, and what we can do is add new table columns here. So we're going to go table string, and we'll actually go ahead and call this name. Now we want to associate like users and a few other things that we're not touching. Okay. But what we're going to do is create a model. What that means is we're going to give our project, our folder, something to associate with it to do. And that's a model. And then we're going to do -m, which is basically saying create a migration for that as well. So if I was to go ahead and open our code, what we're going to look at is the to-do migration, which is the create to-dos table. Laravel provides these migrations out of the box, and any new migration we create just gives you this to start with, and what we can do is add new table columns here. So we're going to go tables.
We got databases, migrations, boom. There we go.
String, and we'll actually go ahead and call this name. Now we want to associate this with a user, so what we're going to do is table foreign ID, which basically just says, hey, I want to associate with this another model. We're going to say that's the user ID, which automatically associates it with the user model. And we're going to have a cascade on delete and constraint, which basically just says anytime the user is deleted, we're going to also delete that user's to-dos. Okay, before we get moving forward into do model.
You down a little bit, Josh, just so I can keep up. All right, so I've already got some of this. Again, you guys can't see it because, again, limited to what I can share here. I have the ID, the foreign ID. I've got to switch that, however. So let's see. User ID. I want name. String. Table timestamps is good. Create to-dos, table ID, good. Good, great, grand, wonderful. Cool. All right, let's keep moving. Most people. Yes. I'm a little slow, Josh, so it's early. You did. 0.75, not 8, not 0.8. Could have been a lot slower. There's a couple people that I do have to slow down. It's just my process, I guess. Some things just don't click with me as fast. We can't all be quick, Josh. I can't speed run this. Baby steps. Okay.
user model, and we're going to have a cascade on delete and constrain, which basically just says anytime the user is deleted, we're going to also delete that user's to-dos. Okay, before we get moving forward in the to-do model, what we have to say is, okay, this to-do model in our database can actually be filled. We can actually create to-dos. One of the ways you can do that is with protected fillable. I like to do protected guarded, which basically says you can fill anything in this to-do model except for the ID. We don't want people changing IDs. Now, in our user model, what we're going to say is the user needs to have some to-dos associated with them. So we can say public function to-dos, and GitHub Copilot's helping me out. And this just says that, okay, when I call users to-dos, I expect that there's going to be many of them. The user can have many to-dos. We're going to do the inverse on the to-do model. So public function user, and we're going to say that this belongs to a user. So that way we can have the users to-dos, and we can say that, hey, give me a to-do that belongs to this particular user. We probably won't use this public function, but we're just going to add it anyways. Now let's go ahead and actually start creating the application. So if I was to go back into my terminal, we can actually say herd open, and that's going to open a new browser window where the application is running. Let me go ahead and pull that up here so we can see it all. Okay, now let's go ahead and create a new user. We're just going to say Josh Siri, Josh at test.com, testing Siri, password, testing password. And we should be good to go. We're all logged in. We have authentication out of the box, and now we have something to associate to-dos with. If I was to go into my terminal, I also want to run npm run dev, which is saying anytime we're changing styles, because we have Tailwind, I want it to live reload. Let's go into our code. Now, we also want to add a Volt component. This is basically saying I want to build my to-do list and not have to worry about having multiple components where some is having the actual server code and some's having the kind of the view or the blade file. This would be similar to like a React server component. So I'm just going to say PHP artisan make Volt. This is a CLI to kind of just generate all of these files for us. I'm going to say to-do manager, and I'm going to pass in a -- class parameter. Now, when that is created, we have this to-do manager blade
Josh,
file.
I feel
what
like
this
you
means,
have the
anything we write down
really
here is markup, and anything we write up here is server.
Things and further explanation. It could be a whole series where you're really going into each step and explaining. I mean, obviously that wasn't the point of this video. It's really to show that how easy doing something like this can be and how fast it can be done. But you know, it is your job now, really. Which I look forward to seeing. Oh boy, I see the little dude is getting up here. He gets up so early. So early. Oh, you're quiet, sorry.
And we load this component we want the users to do. So what we're going to do is this returns an array. What we're going to want is return, let's just say we want to return to-dos. And GitHub Copilot is saying to-dos all. That's incorrect because we actually just want the to-dos for that user. So we can say auth user, and this is a helper function that Laravel gives, to-dos, and we and we can just get those to-dos. And what this is doing is
like
basically
he's getting
saying,
up. I'm
okay,
gonna
the
stop
logged in
before
user,
he's here,
Laravel gives you this
but
out of the box because you're kind of
I'll
piecing
be
this all
back.
together. I want there to
I'll probably hop back on in a few hours. You get it. You know, I have a video, but yeah, this deep dive into what Laravel Vault is. Ooh, nice, nice. That'll be good. I think since you're already in their org and really into their ecosystem, I think having somebody that's going this level that you are will be good for them. And again, it's just a different audience that you bring to them, so it's awesome. Go get some rest, dude. We'll talk later. Thanks for your help too. All right, everybody else, have a good morning. I'll be back later. Pieces.